Listen to the phone message.
Hello, Ms. Lee. It's Susanna Bell. I am supposed to have a piano lesson with you tomorrow at 4 o'clock. Unfortunately, my family decided to go on a trip this weekend, and we are leaving tomorrow. Can we reschedule our lesson? I can come anytime after school next week. Thank you.
Why did Susanna call? A. To invite Ms. Lee on her family trip. B. To tell Ms. Lee that she can come for a lesson tomorrow. C. To ask Ms. Lee to reschedule the lesson.
C. To ask Ms. Lee to reschedule the lesson.
Listen to the phone message.
Hi, Jason. It's Robbie. I just called to check whether you received my email or not. I wrote about the list of things I can bring to sell at the annual school flea market. We need to think about how we should decorate our booth and how to price the items we are going to sell.
Why did Robbie call? A. To ask Jason to write him an email. B. To ask Jason to go to the flea market. C. To ask about the email that he sent Jason.
C. To ask about the email that he sent Jason.
Listen to the phone message.
Hi, Mom. It's Susie. The coach called our basketball team this afternoon, and he said we should practice more before the tournament. We are going to meet at the basketball court and practice for 1 hour after school. So I am going to be home 1 hour later than usual.
Why did Susie call her mom? A. To ask her to come watch the tournament. B. To tell her that she made the basketball team. C. To tell her that she will come home late.
C. To tell her that she will come home late.
Listen to the phone message.
Hello, Mrs. Seaton. It's Sarah from next door. My mom is making lasagna tonight, and we would like to invite you for dinner if you are free. Please give us a call as soon as you receive this message. Oh, you can also bring your puppy.
Why did Sarah call? A. To complain about Mrs. Seaton's noisy dog. B. To invite Mrs. Seaton for dinner. C. To ask Mrs. Seaton for her lasagna recipe.
B. To invite Mrs. Seaton for dinner.
Listen to the phone message.
Hi, Dave. It's Billy. Joey and I are going to play in the treehouse, and we want you to come and join us. We are going to play pirates with the map we drew last time. Bring some toys, too, so we can have fun.
Why did Billy call? A. To ask Dave to draw a map of the town. B. To give away his toys to Dave and Joey. C. To tell Dave to come to play in the treehouse.
C. To tell Dave to come to play in the treehouse.
Listen to the phone message.
Hi, Mom. It's Maggie. My first semester at college has been so much fun. I can't wait to come home next week when I finish my final exams. I will see you next Thursday.
Why did Maggie call? A. To tell her mom about her high school. B. To tell her mom she will be home next week. C. To tell her mom to come to see her.
B. To tell her mom she will be home next week.
Listen to the phone message. Hi, this is Christina Hart. I would like to make an appointment with my hairdresser, Mr. J. Loop. I can come this Friday at 5 o'clock. Can you confirm whether he is available at that time? Why did Christina call? A. To make an appointment at a hair salon. B. To make an appointment at a dental clinic. C. To make an appointment at a restaurant.
A. To make an appointment at a hair salon.
Listen to the phone message.
Hi, James. It's Rob. I just want to talk more about our team assignment. I think we should meet up at the library and do some more research. Then we can practice for the presentation at my house.
What did Rob call about? The choices are A. The team project, B. The opening hours of the library, C. The lunch menu. The answer is A, because he is talking about the team assignment. Listen to the phone message. Hi, Aunt Lisa. It's Joyce. My mom and I are at the shopping mall. We are here to buy a birthday present for Kevin, but we don't know what we should get. Can you give us some tips on things that he likes or needs? Why did Joyce call Aunt Lisa? A. To ask her to come to the shopping mall with Kevin. B. To ask her for some advice on choosing a present for Kevin. C. To tell her what she wants for her birthday.
B. To ask her for some advice on choosing a present for Kevin. Remember, every step forward, no matter how small, is a step closer to your dreams.